Let's make Bigroom Techno. First, let's set the tempo to 126 and start with a punch kick from my sample pack. Let's adjust the low end of the kick. And after 4 bars, let's add some open hats. And some closed hats. After another 4 bars, let's add some crashes. Let's loop this part for another 16 bars, and at the second half of the drop, let's add some claps. So these drums which I use are from my sample pack, which you can get using the link in the description. You got more than 150 drums and it's really affordable. So if you're interested in it, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we're gonna use 3 types of basses. The first one is the rumble bass. So let's link our kick to a parallel channel like this and add reverb without the dry signal. Then use EQ to take off the highs. And turn this to mono. Then let's sidechain the rumble to the kick using a limiter like this. The second bass is a simple offbeat bass. For that, I'll use this preset from my Serum pack. Let's sidechain this to the kick, turn the bass mono, and EQ to take down the highs and balance out the lows like this. And the third bass is a 16th note mid bass like this. To make the bass feel moving, we can transpose some of the notes up an octave like this. I'll sidechain this and EQ to take down the lows like this. Now we need a lead. Let's layer another sound to this. Now let's drag both of them to a mixer channel like this and use shaper box to sidechain it. EQ to turn down the lows. Some saturation on the high mids. Then some compression to glue this together. At the second half of the draw, let's make the lead unique and take the lead up an octave like this. To make a simple transition into the second half, we can automate the pitch of the sound using the pitch bend section in Serum. Then we need some pass. Let's use LFO tool to gate the path. EQ to take down lows. And some saturation on the high end. At the second half, let's add some vocal loops. Shout this up. And you say gate like this. And let's also add a simple count melody. Guys, if you want these Serum presets, check out the link in the description. The Serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Now we need some ear candy. For that, let's use some white noise. And some snares. So since the draft's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the mid bass and the white noise. And after a bus, let's add the hi-hats, the pads, and some snares. At the build-up, let's add the lead and use a filter to introduce it like this. Some build-up drums. Some rises. And a drum fill just before the drop hits. Then to sync up the build-up, let's use a high-pass filter on the master leading up to the drop like this. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. Also use another down lifter at the second drop like this. So that's it for the track, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see the final result.